Hi everyone. In this lesson, you'll learn reduction of noun clauses. So let's start with this. What is reduction? What does that mean? It is the action or fact of making something smaller, making smaller sentences here, making smaller noun clauses, okay? This is the key. So let's see the examples. We are proud that we are ITU students is a noun clause here, okay? How can we make it smaller? If you say we are proud to be ITU students, you see this one is a shorter phrase right now. So how is this possible? Let's look at the first sentence. We are proud that we are ITU students. So the subjects are the same, okay? Under this condition, we can reduce the sentence to 2 plus verb 1, okay? Instead of saying are right now, we say to be, and we leave out that we are and change it into to be here. So what is the rule? Noun clauses that contain modal verbs or follow adjectives can be reduced to 2 plus verb 1. Okay, so here the noun clause follows an adjective. Proud is an adjective. Okay, so here under this condition, the subjects are the same and the noun clause follows an adjective. So here we can reduce it to be. Okay. Let's see the details together. How can we reduce noun clauses beginning with that? Let's see an example. She is happy that she is here. Okay. How can we reduce the noun clause that she is here is the noun clause here, Okay. The subjects are the same, so it is possible that I can reduce the noun clause here. And I change the verb into to be, okay, which means to verb 1. Let's note the rule here. That clauses following adjectives can be reduced to 2 plus verb 1. Another example for that clauses. It is very unsafe that children swim in this dam lake. How can we reduce this kind of a sentence? We again leave out that here, okay, and add for. It is very unsafe for children to swim in this dam lake. So let's note down the rule here again. That clauses following it is important, necessary, essential, etc. Somebody should do something can be reduced to it is important, necessary, essential for somebody, for children, to verb 1, to swim, okay? And let's now see how we reduce noun clauses beginning with WH question words. Let's see the example. Some people don't know what they should do in case of an earthquake. Here we don't leave out the WH word, we keep it, okay? We leave out the subject, okay, because they refers to some people, okay? We leave out the modal verb and we insert to in front of verb 1. And the final sentence looks like this. Some people don't know what to do in case of an earthquake. So let's see the rule here. WH clauses that contain modal verbs or follow adjectives can be reduced to WH plus 2 verb 1, okay? Other WH question words, could be where to, when to, or how to, etc. We can also say, for example, I don't know where to go, I don't know when to start, or I don't know how to do. And let's now see how we can reduce noun clauses beginning with whether. I cannot decide whether I should invite him or not. Whether I should invite him or not is the noun clause part, okay? We keep whether here and we leave out I should invite and we insert to invite here. How is it possible that I change I should invite into to invite? Let's see the rule here. Whether clauses that contain modal verbs or follow adjectives can be reduced to whether plus 2 plus verb 1. Again, here we keep whether. And one more note for you here. Never use if in the reduced sentence, okay? We never use if in reduction. A final note for you, please be very careful with this. A sentence like this can also be reduced. Nobody told me when I can start. When I can start can be reduced as well, okay? Although nobody is not equal to I. These are different. However, there is an object here, me, that refers to I. These are the same. So I can reduce this part into when to start, okay? And it is also correct to say nobody told me when to start. So the rule is the object of the main clause, as in here, me, and the subject of the noun clause, as in here, I, are the same. Under this condition, the noun clause can be reduced to 2 plus verb 1, and it is correct to reduce it. Let's do some exercise together in this part. The first one, some people pretended that they were happy. They refers to some people, so it is possible that I can reduce it into to be, okay? So you see the difference? That they were changed into to be. I don't know what I should do. This part is the noun clause. Subjects are the same, and there's a modal verb here. So I will just change it into I don't know what to do. More natural to say, isn't it? Let's see the next example. She wondered how she could improve her speaking skills. Noun clause starts here. Subjects are the same, and there's a modal verb here. So we can reduce it into to improve. You see the change here, right? She could improve, changed into to improve. And we are making smaller sentences here, as you know. The next example. My flatmate taught me how I can cook. I and my flatmate are different subjects, but there's me here. Me and I are, oh, this is okay, all right. Then I can reduce it into how to cook, okay. My flatmate taught me how to cook. Let's reduce this one. I hope that I can get my dream job. How can we reduce it? That I can get will change into to get. And the last example, she's not sure whether she should study economics or management. Whether she should study economics or management is the noun clause part. Subjects are the same, okay? Noun clause coming after an adjective. So how can I reduce it? Whether to study, okay? I keep whether and I insert to verb 1. So to recap, we always leave out that here and insert to verb 1, okay? Pretended that, pretended to be, okay? I hope that, I hope to get. However, we always keep WH words like what or how, and plus we also keep whether, and we don't use if. This is the end of the lesson right now. Thank you so much for watching. Now check what you have learned.